Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you what you can do when the Cortana is not going to hear you. So it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. So you want to go on the bottom, click on the Windows, right click and go to settings. Now when you have it, under personalization there is like apps. Click on the apps. Now when you're gonna click on the apps, you're gonna have like apps and features here, and then you're gonna have like right app list Cortana. And then click on the three dots, advanced options, and have app permissions microphone on, and then it should work. So thank you very much guys for watching. This is how we can solve the problem when Cortana can't hear me. And yep, have a great day and see ya.